Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Fluoride Mouthwash is probably one of the most important tools in your child's oral hygiene arsenal. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of kids' fluoride mouthwash, exploring its benefits, how to use it effectively, and what to look for when choosing the right one for your little ones. We'll cover everything you need to know to keep those smiles bright and healthy. Number 5. ACT Kids Wild Watermelon Fluoride Rinse. Introducing ACT Kids Wild Watermelon Fluoride Rinse. This product is designed to keep your kids' teeth strong and healthy. It's the perfect addition to their daily oral care routine. This rinse is alcohol-free, which means it's gentle on their mouths. It provides effective cavity protection without the burn. Your kids will love the refreshing taste. ACT Kids Rinse helps strengthen teeth and protect against cavities. It's formulated with fluoride to give them the best defense. Using it regularly will make a big difference. Each bottle comes with an accurate dosing cup for the right amount. It makes it easy to measure the perfect dose every time. This ensures they get the right amount of fluoride. ACT is the dentist-recommended brand for kids' fluoride rinse. You can trust this product to provide the best oral care for your children. Give them a healthy smile with ACT. What we like. This mouthwash is alcohol-free, making it gentle for kids. It also comes with an accurate dosing cup, ensuring the right amount of fluoride every time. If you are looking for a dentist-recommended brand with a kid-friendly experience, this is the one for you. What people say. Picky kid approved. My daughter is very picky about tastes but uses this regularly. She likes that it's fruit and not too harsh. My kids find it easy to use and I find it effective. The watermelon flavor is sweet without being overpowering, and it doesn't sting like some rinses. Helps with cavities and gives peace of mind knowing they're rinsing daily. Both my boys use it daily, and neither of them has had a single cavity since we added it to their routine. That's not luck. That's watermelon-flavored science. The flavor is a total hit. Fun and fruity without that fake aftertaste some kid rinses have. It's also alcohol-free, which makes me feel better about them using it daily, and the built-in dosing cup makes it easy for them to measure it out without help. Huge win for those chaotic school mornings. Number 4. Listerine Total Care Kids Mouthwash. Introducing Listerine Total Care Kids Mouthwash. This mouthwash is designed to protect your child's teeth and freshen their breath. It's alcohol-free and accepted by the American Dental Association. This means it's safe and effective for your kids. This mouthwash offers all-day cavity protection, kills bad breath germs, strengthens teeth, and freshens breath. It cleans the whole mouth with a kid-approved taste. With its fun bubble blast flavor, your kids will enjoy using it. It makes oral care a fun experience. Use it twice a day after brushing. Simply rinse vigorously with 10 milliliters for 1 minute. It helps remove food particles and debris, leaving their mouth feeling clean and refreshed. What we like. This mouthwash is accepted by the American Dental Association, ensuring its effectiveness. It offers multiple benefits, including cavity protection and breath freshening. If you want a mouthwash that is both effective and enjoyable for your child, this product's bubblegum flavor will be a hit. What people say. It's the only flavor she'll use, and although I'm not sure if there are other flavors available, she loves the berry splash, more like berry bubble gum, so much that we haven't felt the need to switch. The mouthwash is surprisingly sweet and, importantly, doesn't contain alcohol, so there's no stinging, making it perfect for kids. It does exactly what I need, cleans, protects my teeth, and actually makes me want to use mouthwash regularly. Number 3. Listerine Smart Rinse Kids Berry Splash Mouthwash. Introducing Listerine Smart Rinse for Kids. This mouthwash is designed to protect your child's teeth and freshen their breath. It's a great addition to their daily oral care routine. This alcohol-free formula is gentle on young mouths while still providing powerful cavity protection. It strengthens teeth and helps prevent cavities throughout the day. It's a safe and effective choice for kids. Listerine Smart Rinse kills 99% of bad breath germs. It freshens breath and cleans the whole mouth, leaving your child feeling confident. It helps keep their mouth healthy and clean. The mouthwash removes and tints food particles, so your child can see the evidence of a cleaner mouth. This helps them understand the importance of oral hygiene. It's a fun and educational experience. With a fun berry splash flavor, kids will love using this mouthwash. It's accepted by the American Dental Association and is a great way to encourage good oral hygiene habits. Make brushing and rinsing a fun part of their day. In a lab study, this mouthwash offered 2 times stronger teeth for 24-hour cavity protection. It is a great way to help protect your child's teeth. It is a great choice for your kids. To use, have your child rinse vigorously with 10 milliliters, 2 teaspoons, for 1 minute, twice a day. This simple step can make a big difference in their oral health. Make sure they do not swallow the mouthwash. What we like. This mouthwash provides all-day cavity protection. It also has a kid-approved taste. If your child struggles with cavities and you want a mouthwash with a fun flavor, this product is a great choice. What people say. It's the only flavor she'll use, and although I'm not sure if there are other flavors available, she loves the berry splash, more like berry bubble gum, so much that we haven't felt the need to switch. The mouthwash is surprisingly sweet and, importantly, doesn't contain alcohol, so there's no stinging, making it perfect for kids. It does show what was missed with brushing when spat out, tinting the particles purple. Number 2. Listerine Kids Berry Splash Mouthwash 6-pack. This mouthwash is designed to strengthen and protect children's teeth. It helps prevent cavities by reaching areas that brushing might miss. The alcohol-free formula is gentle for kids. It contains sodium fluoride and acidulated phosphate to clean the mouth effectively. This mouthwash removes food particles and debris, making it easy to see the results. It also freshens breath by eliminating bad breath germs. Lab studies show this mouthwash provides twice the protection against cavities compared to brushing alone, when used twice daily. This helps keep their teeth healthy. This product is accepted by the American Dental Association. It comes in a fun berry splash flavor that kids will enjoy. Use 10 milliliters, 2 teaspoons, for 1 minute, twice a day. Make sure they rinse vigorously for the best results. What we like. This mouthwash is accepted by the American Dental Association, ensuring its effectiveness. It cleans the mouth beyond brushing alone. If you are looking for a mouthwash that provides comprehensive oral care and a fun flavor, you should consider it. What people say. It leaves my mouth feeling clean and fresh without that intense minty burn. It does exactly what I need, cleans, protects my teeth, and actually makes me want to use mouthwash regularly. If I swish this mouthwash around in my mouth for a few minutes and repeat it a couple of times, I'm actually able to remove the denture adhesive without spending 30 to 45 minutes trying to scrape the adhesive off. Number 1. Crest Kids Strawberry Rush Mouthwash, 4-pack. This is Crest Kids Anti-Cavity Fluoride Mouthwash. It helps to reach areas where brushing might miss. It is designed for kids 6 and up. This mouthwash provides anti-cavity fluoride protection. It helps to keep your child's teeth strong and healthy. It is an important part of their oral hygiene routine. The formula is alcohol-free, making it gentle on young mouths. It provides a comfortable experience for your child. They will enjoy using it every day. The delicious strawberry rush flavor makes it fun for kids to use. They will love the taste. This encourages them to develop good oral hygiene habits. Each bottle contains 500 milliliters, 16.9 fluid ounces, of mouthwash. This pack includes 4 bottles. It's a great value for your family. What we like. This mouthwash reaches areas that brushing might miss, ensuring thorough cleaning. It is an anti-cavity fluoride mouthwash. If you want a mouthwash with a fun flavor that your kids will enjoy, this is the perfect option. What people say. The mouthwash effectively prevents cavities. The product has a pleasant taste that kids enjoy. It is a great product for kids' oral hygiene. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.